this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE math problems under linear inequality. So guys, we have about 6 to 7 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Linear inequalities, these are problems you definitely get to see in your WASSCE math. You can't escape them. Okay, but they're actually easy to solve if you understand the process. So that's the essence of this video. Let's solve these repeated questions together. So the question 1 says represent the solution 3x plus 15 greater than 0 on a number line. Okay, so for this question it will be, to solve it, we have 3x plus 15 is greater than 0. So let's make x the solid formula. This 15 comes over the equality sign, change to negative 15. So we have 2x is greater than negative 15. Divide both sides by 3. So your x will be what? Negative 5. So x is greater than negative 5. So to represent x is greater than negative 5 on the number line, the right option here will be option C. Okay, x is greater than negative 5. Okay, so that is for this question. Even x is less than negative 5, the right option would have been D, option D, but in this case the right option is what? Option C. Okay, so that is for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. Note that if you are solving inequalities and you are dividing both sides by negative value or with negative value, the sign convention will change. Okay, don't worry, I think we'll get to see a practical question on this, that you will understand what I just said better. So let's wipe this and solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following number line represents the inequality 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 9. So guys, for this question the right option here would be option B. Okay, now they mean this less than or equal to symbol is also applied to what we have here. Let me show you. It's also applied here. Okay, it would have been option D, the answer, but since less than or equal to is not applied here, it will be option B. Okay, the less than or equal to sign is the reason why this small circle is shaded. Okay, so for this situation, right answer is option B. Okay, so that's it for this question. Let's look at the next repeated question now. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says represent the solution of the inequality on the number line. So let's solve this problem together. So we have x minus 2 over 2 is greater than or equal to, so we have x plus 3 over 4. So we find the LCM. LCM is 4. 2 into 4, we have 2. So we're going to have 2 in bracket x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4 into 4 is 1. So 1 times what we have here, we have x plus 3. So when you simplify at this juncture, you don't need this denominator again. Okay, it has served its purpose. So now let's simplify what we have at the numerator. We now have 2x minus 4 is greater than or equal to x plus 3. So we want to make x subject formula, right? So this entails this x will come over to this side and this negative 4 come over to this side. So when this happens, we're going to have 2x minus x is greater than or equals 3. In negative 4 crosses over, change to plus. Okay, so 2x minus x will now be our x will be greater than or equals what? 7. So this will be the answer. To represent this on a number line, the right option will be option A. So if you check carefully, this option A, this small circle is shaded, okay, because of this greater than or equals sign. And even there is no greater than or equal, and even this answer is just x is greater than 7. The right answer would have been option B. This small circle wouldn't have been shaded. Okay, so but in this case, this is the answer to this question. The right option is option A. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So the next repeated question will be this one. It says solve this. Alright, so see the same procedure. Okay, before you solve this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says we have y plus 2 over 4 minus y minus 1 over 3 is greater than what? 1. So let's call it 1 over 1 basically. So let's find LCM. LCM here will be, so basically 12. So 1 into 12, we have it to be 3. So 3 times what we have here plus 2 minus 3 into 12 is 4. So 4 times what we have here is greater than what? Now 1 into 12 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. At this juncture, this LCM has finished having these people. So let's simplify what we have at the numerator. So 3 times y, we're going to have 3y plus 6 minus 4y minus times minus 1. We're going to have minus 4 times minus 1. We're going to have plus 4 is greater than 12. So when you collect like terms, you are going to have 3y minus 4y. You're going to have minus y. Okay, 6 plus 4. You're going to have plus 10 is greater than 12. So to make y squared formula, this 10 crosses over and it change towards negative 10. So we now have minus y is greater than what? 12 minus 10. So minus y will be greater than what? 12 minus 10 will give it 2. If I go by coefficient of y, it will give you what? Minus 1. Okay, so your y will now be, because you are dividing both sides by negative value, the sign will change. So your y will now be less than negative 2. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. The right option is what? Option C. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now, solve the next repeated question. So guys, next repeated question will be this one. It says find a range of x. Find a range of values of x for which this is greater than this. So let's solve this as well. So this will give us x plus 2 over 4 minus x plus 1 over 3 is greater than 1 over 2. So the LCM here will be 12. 4 into 12, we're going to have 3 times x plus 2 minus 3 into 12 is 4. 4 times x plus 1 is greater than 4. 2 into 12 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So at this juncture, these are space people. Let's simplify what we have at the numerator. So we're going to have 3x plus 6 minus 4x minus 4 is greater than 6. So when you collect like times 2x minus 4x, you're going to have negative x. So 6 minus 4, we're going to have plus 2 is greater than 6. So want to make x a formula, this will cross over the equality sign, change to negative. So we now have our minus x, okay, is greater than 6 minus 2. So our minus x is greater than 4. I will set by coefficient of x, which is minus 1. So because we are dividing both sides by negative value, the sign convention will change. So x will now be less than negative 4. That will be the answer. The right option is what? Option D. Okay? And not option C, is option D. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now. So the last repeated question. So guys, the last repeated question with this one. It says, for what when your values of x is this plus this is less than or equal to this. Okay, so let's solve this together. This is also very easy. So we have 1/2x plus 2 is less than or equals 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is the same thing as x/2 plus 2 is less than or equals 2x minus 1. So we want to make x the subject formula, right? So let's just find because of this fraction here, I will say let's find the LCM. So LCM here is 2 into 2 is 1 times x is x. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2 times 2 we have plus 4 is less than or equals 1 into 2 is 2, so 2 times everything we have here. Okay, so when you break this down, you're going to have x plus 4 is less than or equals 4x minus 2. Okay, so this 4x will come to this side and this 4 will go to this side. So when you do this, you're going to have x 4x crossing over minus 4x is less than or equals minus 2 minus 4 if 4 is crossing over. So we now have minus 3x is less than or equals minus 2 minus 4 will give you minus 6. So divide both sides by the coefficient of 3x, so we have it to be minus 3. Coefficient of minus 3x here is minus 3. Then we have minus 3. So because we divide both sides by negative value, so the sign convention will change. We now have x will be greater than or equals 2. If to cancel this, you're going to have 2. So that will be answer this question. The right option is what? Option A. S is greater than or equals 2. So this basically can do problems involving linear inequalities for WASSCE Mathematics. So practice with 6 to 7 repeat questions for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to the channel once, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information to help you to excel in your SNE exam, like your WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. So guys, having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.